Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to go over these carbon fiber mirror caps for the Subaru WRX STI 2015 to 2020. I bought these 3 years ago from CT Auto Parts. Their website is in the description below. Now these are not the full replacement ones, rather they are stick-ons that have double adhesive tape on the back. The installation is pretty straightforward. You just peel the back of the tape and align it to the OEM mirror cap. The main reason I decided to go with these mirror caps over full replacement ones is the price. At the time I was shopping for these, the full replacement ones costed like $500 US plus postage and handling, and I could not find it in Australia at all. I did not want to spend that amount on mirror caps, so I decided to just get these ones that have double adhesive tape because it was cheaper. Also, after 3 years the clear coat is holding up really well. Here in Australia it does get really hard, and to my surprise there isn't any fade or peel on the clear coat. It still looks great today as it did 3 years ago. Sure, there were some concerns I had when I purchased these over the full replacements. I mean, it did go through my mind if they would fit, and honestly they do fit like a glove. When I installed it I took my time literally. It took me like 1 hour to line everything and place it down. My OCD does kill me. So to me it fits perfectly. There is no unevenness at all. It contours around the OEM mirror cap perfectly. I have had people asking me if these are full replacement ones or stick-ons, and I always tell them to guess. Some guess that they are full replacements and some guess they are stick-ons. I mean, you can tell if you look around the edges and see some minor OEM paint showing, but I mean you really need to look closer to see if they are full replacements or not. But it really comes down to personal preferences. For me, money was the main issue as I felt the full replacements were too pricey. So I decided to take another avenue and purchase stick-ons. If you guys are interested in these, I will have a product link where you can buy them. And as always, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. I will have more content on the way. Peace out and have a great day.